What if every time you felt your shoulders rounding forward, your neck stiffening, your back starts to ache from sitting all day, you could reset your entire posture in just 3 seconds, right there in your chair, without standing up, without equipment, and without anyone even noticing? Because here's the truth. Your posture isn't getting worse because you're not trying hard enough. It's getting worse because you've been using the wrong approach. And the tool that actually fixes it has been inside your body the entire time. Subscribe for daily habits that keep you strong, sharp, and pain-free, no matter how demanding your workday is. When you sit for hours, your body isn't just relaxing, it's adapting. Your chest stays shortened all day. Your upper back stays stretched and inactive. Your head drifts forward. Your glutes completely switch off. Over time, this becomes your default. This process is called adaptive shortening. Your body literally reshapes itself around your daily posture. And this is why most people fail to fix it, because they rely only on stretching. Stretching helps tight muscles, but it does nothing to activate the weak ones. And posture problems are always both: tight muscles pulling you forward and weak muscles failing to hold you upright. You need to address them both. That's exactly what this does. A full-body isometric reset. 3 steps, 3 seconds each, 9 seconds total, and you can do it anywhere. Step 1. Chin tuck with neck press. Sit tall. Pull your chin straight back, not down. Now press your head back firmly. Hold for 3 seconds. You'll feel deep muscles in the front of your neck activate. These muscles keep your head stacked over your shoulders. When they switch off, your head shifts forward. This wakes them up instantly. Step 2. Shoulder blade squeeze and depression. Now pull your shoulder blades together and down at the same time. Don't shrug, keep your shoulders low. Hold for 3 seconds. You'll feel your upper back muscles firing, the exact ones that stop your shoulders from collapsing forward. Step 3. Glute squeeze with pelvic tilt. Now squeeze your glutes, at the same time slightly tuck your pelvis. Hold for 3 seconds. This brings your hips back into alignment and resets the foundation of your spine. 9 seconds, and your posture is reset. Try it right now. Chin tuck, shoulders back and down, glutes tight. Hold. Feel how different that position is? That's your body in alignment. This works because of isometric contractions, muscle activation without movement. This is one of the fastest ways to wake up inactive muscles. Stretching tells muscles to relax. Isometrics tell them to fire. And posture problems come from muscles that have stopped firing properly. So instead of just loosening tight areas, you're restoring balance. Research shows that most muscle activation happens within the first 3 to 5 seconds of a strong contraction. That means 3 seconds is enough to fully activate the muscle, short enough to do any time, effective enough to retrain your body. Use this throughout your day. Every time you catch yourself slouching, every time your neck tightens, every time you stand up, aim for multiple resets daily. Each one is a signal to your nervous system. Over time, your body starts holding better posture automatically, not because you're forcing it, but because the right muscles are finally doing their job. Your posture isn't a motivation problem, it's a muscle activation problem. Fix the activation and posture follows. Do the reset right now. Comment how many hours you sit each day. Like the video, subscribe, and share this with someone whose posture is paying the price. I'll see you in the next one.